Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Recently purchased the Makita mobile coffee making machine, and I bought mine from DVS Power Tools. They've done it for me for £84.95. This is a limited edition red one. Features, it takes the new batteries. I've got a 6 amp 18 volt battery in there at the moment. The product code is DCM 501. I'm going to do it live for you now. So sorry if you can't really hear it, but this is a new camera as well. I've got the CNC going. But there she goes. Press the button, we'll time it. Scrap the milk. I hope you can see it, guys. We're on just coming up to 1 minute now, boiling. I'll sort of give you a zoom in as well once it's boiled. Love the colour red. Maybe they've gone in hand with Costa Coffee. They should do. So we're up to 1.5 minutes now on a 6 amp battery. It's freezing cold workshop water as well. And there's a little measuring thing which I'll show you in a minute, how to get the perfect cup of coffee. I mean, for me, this is now up to my coffee game. And I'm assuming it's going to fit in one of my sustainers. Of course it is. I'm going to have a brew one now, aren't I? Now I've got a mobile coffee machine. You can also put tea bags in there and have tea as well if you don't like coffee. Or just hot water. But I think and that was including postage. That was 2 days from order, £84.95. Yes, you'd say that's a lot of money for a coffee machine, but is it really? The amount of times I've been let down and not had a drink all day, I will take this fishing, I will take this shooting, I will take this walking, I will take it everywhere because it will fit in my rucksack. And it's perfect for me because a flask's okay, but it don't stay hot all day. I quite like the fact that I will stop and make myself a drink. I like that. That's brilliant. For me, that's perfect. It doesn't suit everybody, but for me, it's brilliant. Always wanted one. So it's fantastic. So thanks very much to DVS Power Tools for sending that. We're up to 2 minutes now on the boiling. Yeah, DVS Power Tools are in Basingstoke, and their number, or basically their online site is dvspowertools.co.uk. You'll find them on there, and you'll see this limited edition coffee machine. I think it's brilliant. I can't believe it. Runs off your batteries with all your site kit. That's just like, you're almost turning into Ryobi Makita, if you don't mind me saying. One battery fits all. But for me, that's fantastic. I've got the I've done the video on the tyre inflator as well on previous YouTube videos, and that thing has got me out the SHIT so many times, it's unbelievable. And that runs off a drill battery. It's fantastic. I know they're bringing out an outdoors in America. Makita have brought out a green outdoor kit for like hunting and shooting and fishing. Bring it out in the UK, please. Why have we got to wait, Makita, if you watch this video? Don't mind the reds, to be fair. Quite like it. But I'd love some of the NATO green Makita kit. That'd be awesome. In fact, I might even spray my kit NATO green. What are we on now? We're on 3 minutes from cold water to a cup of coffee. And we're boiled. There you go, 3 minutes. Look at that, guys. Some steam on there. Awooga! I don't think you can beat that. 3 minutes for a coffee on site. Well done, Makita. Fair play to you. I did do a little experiment. I've done it on a 4-amp battery. Took 10 minutes to boil. Done it on a 5-amp battery. Took 6 minutes to boil. Done it on a 6-amp battery, and it took 3 minutes to boil. So I've done the work for you. Put a 6-amp straight in there. 3 minutes. Hot coffee. Thanks for watching my video. Remember, the slower you go, the faster you go. Like, share, subscribe, and go and have a look at my other videos. And remember, the slower you go, the faster you go.